I think these pants are too short, so my boots look weird. Awkward. I know I haven't vlogged in a long time, but it's going to start up again, so I'm probably going to post a vlog every week like I used to, not a vlog every day, because that gets tiresome, and I don't have enough stamina. Wrong word choice. Anyway, but I've got some exciting news, but I'm not going to tell you until around mid-January. What else is new? I lost 20 pounds, which is fun, and now I need to lose more, but that's halfway there, so that's good. And I missed vlogging, and I can't find my other camera with all the poulet footage, so that's not gonna come out till I find that camera, or I reshoot it, which kinda sucks, but that's okay. And I'm back! I'm going to the museum with Justin and Gavin. You remember Gavin, or Justin. And it shall be a wondrous time, and now I'm walking on a bridge. And I'm almost out of battery. Son of a... First time going to the Oil Alberta Museum. Oil! Through the brushes, a man emerges. His name, Gavin.
You can go anywhere in this park walking. We do not
Too many jokes, I'm sorry. I know, I'm so mature. I know, but I didn't say the joke.
Well, that's good.
That's half the battle. More feces. More feces from that. Maybe not that one exactly, but still feces. The wild Justin emerges from his hole.
There. Holy crap. It's legitimately startling because there's like a bear's face right there.
Dun 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 dun. Where you were standing right there, it looked like the dinosaur was about to eat your head. It was pretty awesome.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nobody move a muscle.
Oh, not impressed.
It's back.
The flip is back.
I have to ask you guys an honest question. Is it too early to decorate for Christmas? Yeah? Too late. Oh yeah. That's actually meant for a dog. Don't judge me. Don't you Christmas judge me.
We're at the city center market, and it's cold outside.
If Santa comes out on a rocket pack, that would make See you in a couple of weeks.
If Santa doesn't show up, we can just substitute. You know, we've got the hats already.
So cool. All right, so we have Santa, we
Hanukkah? Kim, what are we doing?
We're playing in City Hall.
Tata, what are we doing?
We're playing in City Hall.
It was a success.
Huzzah!
Huzzah.
Huzzah! Sorry I couldn't record anything. I was a little busy playing and I didn't know anyone to trust with a camera. Well, I didn't. Anyway, we're just wrapping up. Stand's all collapsed. That's right, my handiwork. Suck it.